ना भाई, ये तो घुस जाता है, तो हाथ बड़ा है तो भी भाई।
तुम किधर लगाए भाई? रोडों के पीछे लगाओ
भाई। हाँ विकास, हाँ मुंबई हूँ, वीडियो कॉल कर दिखाऊँ, वीडियो कॉल कर 1 मिनट। हेलो,
Keep the passage clear, please.
30-35 हज़ार रुपये बता दूँगा तो। बम्बई बताऊंगा मैं तले
Hey, wait. Yes, settle up.
Ladies and gentlemen, the stars are here. वृषभ जो देवेभ्य आदपतियो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो जो देवेभ्यो जातो नमो रुचाय ब्रह्मणे रुचं ब्रह्मन् जनयन्तो देवा अग्रे तदरुवन्न जसैवं ब्रह्मणो प्रियाय अधन्वरे श्रीक्षणेन समीक्षावदनः बहोरातरे पाठवे रक्षणानि रूपवदनेनो व्याप्तं हिरण्यकाः ॐ वैकाः सर्वलोकं वैकाः ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरानशतो शान्तिः पृथ्वी शान्तिरापः
धन्यवाद
of this film for doing it like this, जो कि जैसा मैंने कहा हमने पहले कभी महसूस नहीं किया, ऐसा लग रहा है पूरा प्योरिफिकेशन हो गया. क्यों ऋषभ भाई, है ना? It was like we felt it, right Naba? We felt it, sir. Of course. हाँ? Of course we have to talk about that. लेकिन उस सबसे पहले, ladies and gentlemen, let me just do this formally on behalf of Nick Studios and Abhishek Pictures. I'd like to welcome each one of you. Thank you so much for being here for this grand trailer launch of जैसा सर ने मुझे बताया, नागबंधम. एक बार जोरदार तालियां इस पूरी टीम के लिए. इस फिल्म को प्यार देने के लिए बड़े सारे पॉइंट्स हैं, लेकिन एक चीज जिसकी मैं बात करूंगा वो ये है कि एडवेंचर और डिवोशन, उसका जो एक कमाल का मिक्स है ना, ये उन दोनों चीजों को जिस तरह से बहुत ही ग्रैंड और एडवेंचरस अवतार. तालियां हो जाएं. थैंक यू सो मच. यहां पे जी स्टूडियोज से, जो कि हमारे बड़े कमाल के इंसान है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और रेवेन्यूज के हेड. इट्स टाइम फॉर द ट्रेलर. विथ योर काइंड परमिशन हो जाए, है ना? Let's do it. She said it. So, ladies and gentlemen, all eyes towards the big screen as we play the trailer of Nagabandham, the secret treasure, exclusively for all you lovely people. हो जाए. बोलूंगा मैं बोलूंगा ये कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस हम सब के लिए लेकर आए. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations to you. As I said, you all are blessed to be a part of this, and the audiences, I'm sure they're going to love the experience. What would you like to say to all the lovely people? क्या response मिला है?
हर हर महादेव. ट्रेलर देखा है आपने, कैसा लगा? बहुत अच्छा. So a small disclaimer, my Hindi is broken. I have a lot of confusion between मेरा, मेरी and आपका, आपके. So it's not a disrespect, but it's out of confusion. So please don't judge me. And I would like to really thank media. आपके वजह से इतना ज़्यादा reach मिला है नागबंधम को, and this is a great opportunity for me to thank you all. With all your love and support, this has been possible. And first of all, talking about Nagabandham is not just another film. It's a larger than life mythological universe specially crafted for the audience, and it's an attempt to preserve India's civilization legacy. ये हमारी तरफ से सनातन धर्म को एक समर्पण है.
क्या बात.
हमारे हिस्ट्री सबको पता है क्या हुआ है. मुगल इन्वेजन के बाद काफी कुछ लूज किया है हमने. देव लूटेड आवर ट्रेजर, देव लूटेड आवर टेम्पल्स, करोड़ों लोग मारे गए हैं. एंड नागबंधम इज एन अटेम्प्ट टू show the future generations our ancestors sacrifice and resilience they have shown towards protecting our dharma. Yeah, that's it from my side.
आपने बोला हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है, इतना अच्छा बोलोगे तो बाकी लोग कहां जाएंगे. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी, किशोर सर वहां खड़े खड़े देख रहे हैं, मेरी अर्धांगिनी इतनी अच्छी हिंदी बोलती है, ये तो कमाल कर रही है। कमाल आप दोनों ने किया है। किशोर सर, टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस।
One last thing I would like to say, this event gives me really a great vibe. Thank you so much Sunny ji, Red Eye Studios, गणेश जी की मंत्रोच्चारण के साथ शुरू हुआ है ये इवेंट, सब आपके वजह से हुआ है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर enabling this। हाँ,
थैंक यू सनी जी, क्या बात है। वामसी शेखर साहब भी यहाँ पर हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर फॉर ऑल द लव एंड सपोर्ट ऑफ कोर्स। सर थैंक यू सो मच। किशोर सर, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से?
Yeah, thank you everybody for being here. Thanks all the media people. Thank you Girish ji for being here. Thanks to all the artists and all the other guests. So I think you've seen the trailer. Okay, I'll speak in English because she has already spoken enough.
She's
Hindi.
aced it.
So I'll speak in English. Yeah. So I think all of you have seen the trailer. How did you like? I actually, I mean, the reception that you guys have given, I actually loved your reception of the trailer. So I'm feeling very satisfied, very happy. You know, I sure think it will be a blockbuster. Going forward. So thank.
सर ट्रेलर में आपको अभिषेक नामा जी का विजन दिखा होगा। वी रियली मिस हिम नॉट बीइंग हियर टुडे।
Yeah, actually been able to bring this up. You've seen the visuals, so it's all because of him. I think I'd like to thank our production designer, Mr. Ashok. So he has been able to do a fantastic job with all the sets and all the art and craft that you're seeing on the scenes. And yeah, finally Abhishek, he has, like I said, he has done a fantastic job being able to mount this. I think that is all. Thank you everybody for being here and giving us such a huge, positive response.
Thank you so much sir, Kishore sir, thank you so much. Of course you did talk about the gentleman here. उनकी नजर से और उनके कैमरे से हमने बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में देखी हैं। बहुत कमाल ढंग से हर एक फ्रेम को ये पिक्चर की तरह प्रेजेंट करते हैं, ऐसा लगता है पेंटिंग है। गिव इट अप फॉर आवर डीओपी लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सौंदर्या राजन सर, प्लीज मंच पर आइए। सो वी वांट यू हियर। ऑफ कोर्स a big fan of your work and बिल्ला वो प्रभास सर वाली फिल्म ना, मतलब तालियां बनते हैं वो। This is just one name, okay? यहाँ एक से एक दिग्गज बैठे जिनका एक फिल्म का नाम मैं लूंगा और आप लोग ऐसे तालियां सीटियां बजाओगे। So thank you so much for being a part of this film. Of course, he's like मैं ना कैमरे से बात करता हूँ, मैं माइक पे नहीं बोलता कुछ। But thank you so much for all the lovely visuals. Ladies and gentlemen, also would like to invite on stage the CEO here, CEO साहब हमारे वासु जी। Welcome, sir. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you very much for media people and Mumbai people, North Indian people. Nowadays, there is no North India or South India. India. Earlier, is there Bollywood, Hollywood, like that, Tollywood. Now, आजकल कुछ difference नहीं है, एक ही बात हो गया, India film, Indian film. We are proud. I am proud to say we are going to give you very big Indian film for the entire world. Definitely, we assure our Nagabandhu will do best of this year, one of the best film in this year. Thank you so much, everyone. 2 साल से सब जने बहुत मेहनत कराते हैं फिल्म आउटपुट के लिए। 1 year we spent on post production, 1 year on production. Now 6 months we are doing post production work. Pre production के लिए 1 साल मेहनत करा था अपन ने। Finally we are going to deliver very excellent output. So thank you so much. Definitely you love it. Everyone should appreciate our Nagabandhu और Nick Studios और प्रोड्यूसर जाने किधर भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं हुआ। बोले तो थोड़ा क्या बोल सकती, 100 crore spent on this film.
Whoa!
I think this is the first film एक न्यू स्टार में इतना बड़ा अमाउंट स्पेंड करा। ऑल इंडिया में फर्स्ट फिल्म है ये और अभिषेक नामा का विजन था ये पूरा। सब जने अपना डीओपी सर सौंदर सर और आर्ट डायरेक्टर एंड म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर एडिटर और आर्टिस्ट हीरो विराट जी और अपना नवाज जी, स्पेशली और ऋषभ, बहुत क्या बोलूँ, हार्ड वर्क आता है ये फिल्म के लिए. ये आउटपुट सबका एंटायर टीम का हार्ड वर्क के लिए ऐसे आउटपुट मिला था आज. डेफिनेटली विल सरप्राइज यू ऑन July 3rd. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच. ऑलराइट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एक चीज जिसकी बात करना यहाँ बनता है इससे पहले कि मैं स्टारकास्ट को बुलाऊं, पद्मनाभ स्वामी, अनंत पद्मनाभ स्वामी जो हैं
में हो रहा है. जल्द से जल्दी नॉर्थ में भी शुरू करेंगे. तो प्लीज वेट फॉर पद्मनाभ स्वामी टू कम हियर एंड ब्लेस यू ऑल.
Bless us all, of course. I'm sure ऐसा ही होगा. बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स मिलेंगी. फिल्म भी देखी और ब्लेसिंग्स भी मिल रही है. और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में, है कि नहीं?
अपना रथ यात्रा का एंटायर डिसीजन, विजन, आइडियोलॉजी, एवरीथिंग अपना मैडम जी का आइडिया था पूरा.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am, for of course, making us feel it and experience it. It's time to invite on stage the Starcast. We'll start with this man, जिन्होंने हिंदी फिल्म में कदम रखा और the ball was out of the park. इनको बड़ा सारा प्यार मिला. The man, he knows what he's doing on that big पर्दा, अब तेलुगु डेब्यू कर रहे हैं इस पैन इंडिया फिल्म के साथ. मैं कहूंगा ऋषभ सानी, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for him. And समता की मिसाल देखिए आप. अलग प्यार कर लो, आप ही कर लो यार.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
All था.
Bro, honestly, Abhishek sir is not here today, but it was entirely his vision. This character is very dark, and I'm doing a double role, and both my characters are dark. You can call it dark and darker. And Abhishek sir gave me the freedom to go to the darkest ends. He was so descriptive and vivid, and he explained the character very well, and the way he designed the looks, the way he designed the shots and everything, it gave me a lot of freedom to play the character, because it's not easy to play such a bad guy. And I really have to talk about two things, bro. Ashok sir, who's the art director of the film, he made such beautiful sets. I mean, there was a set where there were the 10 avatars of Vishnu ji. And every time we were shooting, the first thing I would do when I went to the set was go in the middle, stand there, pray for 2 minutes. That used to give me so much, it used to make me feel so centered. That is one. And the other person I want to talk about is the editor of our film, Pranav. He has done a fantastic job with the edit. And Sundar sir, I mean, the way he was framing each and every shot, you just look into the camera and you could know that something crazy is going to come out of it. Special mention for our producers, bro. The way they have supported the film, I mean, they used to be there on set for all the night shoots, for all the day shoots. Be it they are feeling unwell, they are feeling well, they were there. And even Ira is also there on set for a long time, bro. And overall, I'm just thankful, I'm grateful for the opportunity, getting a Telugu debut with this film. I mean, I think God is really kind with me, because I got my debut with Fighter and then my Telugu debut with Nagabandham, and I'm just grateful. Thank you Vasu sir, thank you sir, thank you ma'am, thank you Sundar sir, and thank you Abhishek sir for the opportunity.
Thank you so much. यार डार्क किरदार प्ले करने पे इससे ज्यादा प्यार यहाँ पे. अच्छा, यहाँ सीटियां हैं. वाह, वेरी गुड. बढ़िया खेल रहे हो तुम लोग. हाँ, Nabha, welcome. Thank you so much for being a part of this. It's so good to see you again. कुछ दिन पहले she was here, तो हमने वो माहौल देखा था. Everybody was a fan. We all were so much, in love with her. अभी वापस से thank you so much for being a part of this. Please मुझे बताइए
Thank you so much.
आपके लिए how was the process, the entire thing, because this is huge.
Hi Mumbai, कैसे हो? ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा? इतना सारा प्यार. Thank you so much. I mean, the kind of energy you guys have given us for the trailer is amazing, and it's filled us with confidence. We were all sitting and the kind of, hooting and whistles. Thank you so much. What do
not from the film industry. This is our first film, Nick Studios का. पहले हम सॉफ्टवेयर बिजनेस कर रहे थे. उसके बाद बिजनेस डाइवर्सिफाई करना चाहते थे और ये फिल्म की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली हमको. एंड जब अभिषेक नामा सर से मिले थे, उनका प्री प्रोडक्शन वर्क इतना स्ट्रांग था, उनका विजन पूरा समझ में आ गया हमको. तो उसके हिसाब से हमको लगा ये फिल्म बहुत बड़ा हिट बन जाएगा. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो ए बिग डिवोटी ऑफ शिव जी, सो आई लाइक द सब्जेक्ट एंड वी वांटेड टू डू इट मोर. किशोर, यू वांट टू एक्सपैंड मोर ऑन दिस?
Yeah, so again, I'll talk in English. Yeah, so when we started, I think the budget was not this high. I mean, so we started it. The output started coming well. We started seeing very good reception from the people who have seen the rush. People have visited the sets. The artists were also doing very well. Everybody was giving in their day in day out only for the movie. So if you talk about Abhishek, Virat, so most of the, I mean, there good amount of team is also a first timers and they're giving their heart and soul for the project. So seeing that dedication, I think you get that kind of confidence that this project will be a huge success. So that is the gut feel that we have gotten when we started early. And as we started seeing the output, as we started getting more and more confidence, we started investing. And while we are doing that investment, we are also cognizant of what is the risk that we're taking, how to de-risk it, and will it be a profitable venture or not. So all these have been considered and then only we have invested. So you can call it a calculated risk.
आपने कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क की बात की, इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात की. अगर मैं पूछना लगता है कि ये फिल्म बाहुबली के रिकॉर्ड सारे तोड़ पाएगी, क्योंकि विजुअली तो बहुत इफेक्टिव लग रही है फिल्म.
So the investment is at around 110 crores plus has been the investment. As far as will it cross Bahubali or not, I think you guys, your response has actually been the proof of whether it will cross Bahubali or not. So I'll leave it at that. So let's wait for July 3rd and then see how it goes.
My friends keep telling me, पूरा Instagram पूरा नागाबंधम ही चल रहा है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? So that itself is the, yeah, that shows the movie is going to be a big blockbuster.
I think we have somewhere created that interest in the audience, that this is a film to look out for. The film has stands out, and then there is great content that that will surprise you. So I think those three things are actually enough to pull the audience into the theaters. And then let's see how it goes.
And talking about the business, we've partnered with some of the greatest, like we have Z Studios on board for distributing in North and overseas. I think that gives us a strong strength.
We have closed 80% of the business, so I think we're out of risk in that sense.
Sir, my question is to Virat sir. Yeah.
Hi sir.
First of all, congratulations to you. All the best for this film.
Thank you so much, sir.
You got a very good opportunity to act in this big film. It will be a pan-India film. So what is your feeling with this particular? You joined with this film. Actually, you can say it's a debut to this thing. So what is your feelings? Just express your feelings.
मैं एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ. दिस इज़ द लाइफ टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी. सो ये मूवी के लिए पूरा मैं मेरा जान लगा के काम किया, क्योंकि आपका दिल में छोटी से जगह चाहिए. सो या एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट. सर आपने नहीं सुन रहे तो
सुन रहा हूँ.
सॉरी. या
Please carry on.
Hello. My next.
Sorry, sir,
Can
sorry.
I, sir?
He was displaying, so that's why. Please play.
Sir,
It's out of the box as such. I just want to ask one thing, Rishabh especially. This film is getting released in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Hindi. And have you done dubbing for Telugu also, if I'm not mistaken?
Telugu and Hindi.
And how did you find the experience working with these people from the south as such?
Sir, honestly, I think I've been blessed. My first film, I had a great experience with the production team. This, during Nagabandham, I have nothing to complain about. Like I said before as well, the producers backed everyone through and through. They were there to take care of everyone. They were there to look out for everyone. And there was not much of a difference in the working styles also, because at the end of the day, both were like big commercial films, and both of them were dealt with the utmost professionalism and grace, I would say.
And Kishore, one thing I want to ask you, this is your first film, such major. Are you planning for other productions also, or after seeing the response to this film, you'll start planning? How was the experience of yours working with these people as such?
I think this is my first time. I mean, obviously, all of you know. So I think one of the mentions I want to do is of Vasigar. He has been the pillar of support for us. I mean, we don't know anything in production in that sense. So he has guided, helped, told us how things work, how things do not work, where to be careful, where not to be. I think, and he has been with Abhishek for long, and they have done enough number of productions to be able to know what is right, what is wrong. So I think in that way we've been, I mean the experience has been good. There was too much to learn in too short a time, and there was, we have spent also too much in too short a time. So both ways. So, but I think it's a good investment. I think you have gotten the right kind of output. Yeah, so that is.
And Abhishek is not there, we are missing him as such.
Yeah.
And he has done wonderful job. Everything is the story, screenplay, direction, everything. Wonderful. Beautifully executed. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
My question is to Rishabh sir. Rishabh sir, big fan. As he was saying already, since it is very difficult to work on a Telugu film, since you are a Hindi person and you know Hindi language mainly, so is there any dialogue which you can say in front of us for us, like anything, like in Telugu?
So this was one of the dialogues from the film. It's one of my favorite scenes from the film. It goes like, మీ డాడీ నేను కలిసి గేమ్ ఆడితాం, నేను గెలిచే వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వాలి కదా.
Sir, meaning sir.
Me and your dad are playing a game and I'm winning. Now whoever's the winner, he needs to get the prize, right? But your dad's not giving me the prize. That was the meaning of the dialogue.
Thank you sir.
Hello. Hi, Angelika here from the Trending Times. And क्या मैं कलयुग के सबसे बड़े राक्षस से सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rishabh. We have seen you in Fighter. You have been that gelled hair, soft kind of a villain in that. And now I see you in such a getup, like with makeup and hair. The externalization of the character is really, really very impressive. What was the internalization of the character? How did you prepare it internally for the character?
I use my own, I follow one process. I write down the complete backstory, get into the character. Like, I write down incidents about the character's life in his younger days, create a whole story. In this, I had 2 characters to play, so I had to do it twice. But yeah, most of it was internal. Most of the internalization happened by writing about the character, exploring the characters through history, through books and all, whatever material I could find about the character. So that is how I internalized it.
Hello. Thank you so much. Hello.
Check.
Hello.
That second character के लिए ऋषभ को daily
Have lot of patience, sitting 6 hours for the makeup, hero and our villain.
Yeah, no, it was, the thing is, director sir envisioned the character in such a brilliant way that, it didn't feel like too much of a task because the output was coming out to be so good.
Hi. Yeah.
Hello. Our question is for the ma'am. We loved you seeing the performance doing hook step over your life, so we also want to do it with you. Can we?
Yeah, please.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll
Shall we
do it.
come?
I'll call you. We'll just quickly finish the questions.
Sure.
I'll come to you. Yeah?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Vishal here.
Hi.
My question is for you. It was hardly we can see you in the trailer, 2 frames. And there is also
Everybody, it's like heroine को ज़्यादा screen space नहीं मिलता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We made sure everybody is getting there.
I mean, this is not a typical hero-based movie in that sense. You will see the story running, story leading it, and then everybody giving in their everything for the story.
Because it's a huge complaint for the viewers also. Nowadays, more focus are there on the hero, not on the heroine.
I think that trend is changing. Because the stories are taking
Because
up
recently, as a viewer also, if we talk, we have seen this complaint. Big budget film came and which was
Definitely,
focused.
I can understand your
And this trailer also, we can hardly see her. only 2 frames I just saw.
No, the director has chosen to do an action cut, so my character has not been. I have not done any action, so I'm not.
That's why I'm asking you to tell me something more about your character. What
My
I can
character is called Parvati.
see. Yeah.
It's got very much to offer to the story throughout the film. It's got many layers. You're going to be surprised when you watch the film, and I've gotten a very beautiful, a great opportunity to portray this character. In a sense, as to a woman's every single role in her life, be it a daughter, be it a sister, be it a comrade, be it a companion, be it a lover, not just for a role, for like a title, but also contributing to the story in these roles. So it's not going to be how you've been asking. It's going to be amazing because, like our producer mentioned, this movie story is the main focus, and a lot of other characters also actually come and going to entertain you in many ways. Yes.
And also Virat, yeah. Tell me.
Sir actually has to say something
Yes,
about
yes,
it.
sir.
Her character is a surprise in the film. There's a surprise
Okay.
in the film, so we have hid it from the trailer.
Okay.
So that you
Surprise
guys
more than
watch
just
it
a-
and be surprised in the theater. Yes.
Heroine is more than just a glamour in this film. She has a lot to deliver, which you will be seeing on the big screen.
Once again, I'd like to congratulate the team. मतलब everyone knows the hook steps also here. This is fabulous. Yeah, thank you. आप दोनों मुंबई आ सकती हैं. Thank you so much. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Of course. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Now I'd like to invite on stage. Of course, I'd request you to kindly,
मीडिया से आए हुए सारे दोस्तों का स्वागत है यहाँ पे. और ये जो फिल्म है, सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो मैं भूल रहा हूं, हमारे इस जहाज के कप्तान, ये जंबो जेट है. ये जो जहाज है ना नागाबंदम, ये जंबो जेट है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द बिगेस्ट एयरक्राफ्ट इन द वर्ल्ड, एयरबस 380. ये जो जहाज है नागाबंदम इज नोन एज एयरबस 380. तो इसके जो कप्तान है हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब अभिषेक नामा जी, उनको हम मिस कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे इसलिए नहीं आ पाए क्योंकि हमारी पिक्चर 3 जुलाई को वर्ल्ड वाइड रिलीज है. इस पैन वर्ल्ड फिल्म, तो उस फिल्म का कुछ हमारा पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन चल रहा है, तो इसके लिए नहीं आ पाए. So I'm extremely sorry for this, and Abhishek Garu, miss you here. And इस फिल्म के बारे में सबसे important जो बात है, to bankroll this film and believing this content, I would like to salute the producer, the dear producer, husband and wife, Kishore Garu and Nishita Garu, capturing this spectacular visuals. Roman Nadi sir, Talaivar inge. चंद्रराजन गारू, द कैमरामैन, द डीओपी ऑफ दिस फिल्म. एंड एक बात अभी बताना चाहूंगा कि अभी ऋषभ ने बोला कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद लोग मुझसे क्या बोलेंगे? You have done a fantastic job, Nava. Outstanding, mind blowing, and above all, the man behind the show is Vasu Garu. Fantastic, sir. Without you, Nagaman was not possible. Thank you very much, sir. And Sudhakar Garu, Sensor Sudhakar Garu ekada. सर थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक एवरीबॉडी. एंड मैं ये चाहूंगा कि सर ये फिल्म जो है ना, एक हैदराबाद से हमारे गांव में, हमारे शहर में लोग आए हैं, तो मैं चाहूंगा आप लोगों से हाथ जोड़ के विनती करना चाहूंगा कि सर इस फिल्म के लिए जितना भी आप लोग पॉजिटिव और जितना भी आप लोगों ने जो रियल में देखा है उसको एक्सपीरियंस करके आप लिखिए. जो सच है वो लिखना है. मैं कोई रिकमेंडेशन नहीं कर रहा हूं. जो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया इस स्क्रीन के ऊपर में, जो ट्रेलर देखा आपने, उसके बारे में आप लोग अपने तरफ से जितना लिख सकते हैं लिखेंगे. तो हमारे लिए जो 2 नए कलाकार हैं, एक ऋषभ जो सेकंड फिल्म है इनकी और विराट की पहली फिल्म है, उनको बहुत फायदा मिलेगा नॉर्थ इंडिया में. तो आप लोगों के सपोर्ट की बहुत जरूरत है. तो मैं हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूं, मैं इस फिल्म के लिए प्लीज आप लोग सपोर्ट करें, जितना भी कर सकते करेंगे. सैल्यूट टू ऑल द मीडिया, ऑल द जर्नलिस्ट, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम बॉम्बे एंड फ्रॉम अराउंड द कंप्लीट इंडिया. And my name is Sanjay Singh. I'm a small person. My partner Dilip Soni. We have done the business for this film Nagabandham in North India as well as in overseas as well as in satellite. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
110 करोड़ की पिक्चर के ये स्मॉल इंसान कह रहे हैं खुद को. जोरदार तालियां. I would request Virat bhai, Nabha and of course Rishabh bhai to kindly stay back. Yeah. And the two producers of course.